and thanks for joining me for December Daily Day 1 attempt of making a spread. So as you can see from the preview of this picture, I kind of stick to the the muted tones for this first spread. I guess I'm still not ready to get out of my comfort zone. So I'm going with the winter theme, but I'm not going for the Christmassy colors yet, at least not for this first spread. So I start off by choosing an image from my Christmas stash, and I have this, if you haven't seen it, I have a intro where I explain what supplies I'm using for this. So this is a little picture I bought at the Christmas market where I went a few days ago, and I wanted to use that because it was December 1st and it was snowing a lot here in Vienna, and it was actually sticking to the ground, so it was really pretty and perfect timing that it was December 1st. So I wanted to make that my first spread. So I just inked the edges, and now I've chosen some papers that I could use as a background. And actually I've been thinking quite a bit about this December daily because I am not a person who's very much into Christmas anymore. I used to love Christmas a lot growing up and with my parents, but in the meantime both of my parents unfortunately have passed away. So and my hubby doesn't celebrate Christmas, and actually he usually works on that day as well. And we don't have children, so that means I don't really have, let's say, a reason to go all out for this holiday. So I don't really do a lot. I just have, at home I have a few fairy lights, and yeah, I think this year I'll celebrate it with my best friend. So it's not such a big deal for me anymore, which is a bit of a pity, but I do have wonderful memories growing up. So I do want to somehow acknowledge this whole season and the fact that Christmas is coming. And I do kind of feel it in the air, this Christmas spirit. I don't know why. We just had our Christmas party, which was on that night, actually on December 1st, which was really nice. The Christmas party from the school where I work at. So that was a lot of fun, and it added to, me feeling like it is something special this season. So I just added this stamp Let It Snow, which was perfect actually. And then I went through my washies that I had gotten, that you can see from my last AliExpress haul, and I chose the one with the months, and so I used the December piece, and then I added the one from the other washi instead of stamping the date. I really like how that looks. And then I'm trying to find some stamps that can kind of frame that picture a little more, and I decided to go for some tree branches. They look like pine tree branches, and unfortunately I don't know where I got this set from. It might be in one of my early AliExpress hauls, but I'm really not sure. But you can use any branches, of course, if you want to frame a picture like this. And I decided to go for a brown, this is my vintage photo brown, just because I didn't want it to overpower the picture itself. And so then I actually start writing already, and so I write about the fact that I'm so really happy that it's snowing on December 1st, and because here in Vienna we usually get snow, a little bit of snow in November, maybe beginning of December, and then not again until January, February, and maybe into March a little bit. So usually Christmas is not white, and I don't know if it'll be white this year. It would be nice. So thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.